Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing carrot and Guinness drink. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have a few carrots and they're already cleaned and washed, and I also went ahead and removed the skin from my carrots. And I also have my Guinness. If you don't have Guinness, you can always go ahead and use Dragon. If you're not a drinker of Guinness nor Dragon, you can always go ahead and use Malta. Once I'm finished slicing up my carrots, I will go ahead and add some water to my blender, of course, but I will pour the water in the Guinness bottle once I'm finished pouring out the Guinness. And I will also go ahead and add the Guinness to my blender, and of course I'm going to add the carrots. Please note guys, if you want to add more carrots, you can always go ahead and do so. And you can always go ahead and add more Guinness or Dragon if that's what you want to do. I will also go in, of course, and add my condensed milk. And you don't have to sweeten if you don't want to. And of course, I'm going to add some spices, some nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, and also some mixed spice and some of my vanilla flavoring. And please do remember that they do have some of these spices in the liquid. You can always go ahead and try that out. And once I'm finished adding all of that amazing spice, I will go in, of course, and start blending. Please note, I'm not making a lot of this drink today, just a small amount, just to serve 2 people, and that is it. Really easy, really simple, and all of these ingredients that I'm using, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. So once I'm finished blending, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like, and we're also gonna go ahead and strain. Now it's summer, it's very hot. You can always go ahead and prepare this amazing drink for your entire family. You can make it for your friends. If you're having a party, you can always go ahead and make this as well. And you can always go ahead and serve it up ice cold. Like I said, if you don't want to add the condensed milk, you can always go ahead and eliminate that. So this is it once it's blended nicely. And I will go ahead and strain, and I like to just encourage you guys to strain at least twice, because sometimes some of the pulp from the carrot gets away in your juice, and you don't want that. You don't want to be drinking and then you taste that carrot. So you want to ensure that you strain at least twice and enjoy your drink. Like I said, very easy, very simple. You can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using, and you can always let me know what you think about it. So this is it, all straight, nice, looking lovely. You can always go ahead and serve this up ice cold, or you can just have it as it is. And basically this is it, the final product. So I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember guys to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing, sharing it with your families and your friends. Tell them about Kali J's Kitchen, and let's get there together. Thank you again for your love, for your support. Thank you for your encouragement, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.